Hello everybody and welcome to a brand new DeversiFi tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly download and install the MetaMask app for your Google Chrome browser and just how to find what your sending address is so you can send yourself some money to it and start using the Ethereum network. Head on over to metamask.io and click on the big download button right here. Click on install for Chrome if you are on Google Chrome. Might be Firefox if you're on Firefox. Add the extension. We're gonna give it a moment here. And all right, we're gonna get started right now with MetaMask. Click on get started. If we have an old account, we can import our 12 words here, but we're gonna create a new account for this video. I already know what this says. It just says, do not share your information around and keep everything private. I'm going to agree here. I'm going to type in a temporary new password for this temporary account. All right. And right here, this part is extremely important, you guys. Make sure you click to reveal your secret words, just how I showed you earlier to restore from that backup, or if you already had a previous account. These are those words that you need, so you can click on reveal the words. Make sure you write them down with pen and paper because you don't want to save it on a notepad on your computer, because what if you get hacked, or what if your computer crashes and you lose those files. So make sure you save these words on a actual pen and paper, and don't save it on your cell phone, because what if your cell phone gets hacked. For the sake of this video, I am not going to reveal my words to you guys. I'm just going to remind me later. Alright, so here we are into the MetaMask area now. We're in the main MetaMask tab. I think most people, what they generally do is they come over here to this extension icon, and then they pin the MetaMask icon. So now they have a little button up here for them. If you ever happen to close out of this, and you want to go back to it, you can just click on your little MetaMask icon over here. Click on these little dots, and then do the expand view. And that will bring us back over into this bigger view. So right over here at the very top, you'll see it says account 1. This is your Ethereum address, this 0x5e, that's your actual Ethereum address. So if you want to send Ethereum or any Ethereum based tokens, also known as ERC20 tokens, you will need to send them to this address right here. So you can just click on it to copy it. If you want the QR code, you can click on that, and you can click on account details. And it'll bring up the QR code, and it'll also show you the full address down here. Once you have some Ether in your address, you can go on ahead and do whatever it is that you like. Thank you all so much for checking out this tutorial. Hopefully it was useful for you and you learned something new. Make sure you give it a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye for now.